Growth and decay. Consider Juliet's salary, which is currently £50,000. She receives a pay rise of 10%. What is her new salary? There are a few ways that we could work this out. For example, we could work out 10% of £50,000, which is £5,000. Then add this onto the original salary. So 50,000 add 5,000 gives us a new salary of £55,000. Another way to do this is to consider the original salary as 100%. Then if we add on 10% to get the new salary, Juliet has 110%. We can then calculate 110% of 50,000 is 1.1, remember that's 110% as a decimal, times 50,000, giving us 55,000. The decimal, 1.1, which represented a 10% increase, is known as a multiplier. Consider Jasper going to buy a jacket for £150. If the original price is 100%, what Jasper is going to pay is 85% because it's a 15% discount. 85% of 150 is 0.85 times 150. Remember, that's the percentage changed to a decimal. And that gives us £127.50. So it will be £127.50. The 0.85 is a multiplier representing a 15% discount. Multipliers are a good way of working with growth and decay, and we'll look at this in the examples that follow. But one of the reasons it's a good way of doing it is if you imagine that we had repeated pay rises here of 10%, we can just multiply, if we have two pay rises, by 1.1 squared, and we don't have to go through this sort of process again. So looking ahead in your mathematics, multipliers are a good way to work.